Megan.
Look, there's Aunt Megan.
It's what's here.
Say happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
I don't know what happened. We don't hear you now.
We can't hear anything.
Can you hear me? Hang on.
There we go. That's better.
Can you hear me now?
Yes.
Yay!
Yay!
But they still can't hear in there. Happy birthday, big boy!
Everyone sing happy birthday to
Alright,
Dad.
ready? Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. You say happy? Happy birthday, dear Thatcher. Happy birthday to you.
Hi, Emerson. Hi, Emerson.
Hi.
Hi. Thatcher, go say hi. Hi, Evan. Are you gonna say hi?
Hi, Emerson.
That's Evan.
Hi, Evan.
Don't push a button, please, while we're talking.
Hi, Ev.
We can't hear you.
They can hear you. They can't.
Oops.
Uh-oh.
I think he's gonna try again.